This tutorial, I'll show you how to use Excel function to make frequency table and frequency chart for categorical or nominal data. In this data set, we have categorical data and also the interval level data. We want to analyze the categorical data, and for example, for gender, we want to find out how many boys and girls in this data set. So let's move here, and I'm going to analyze gender. I'm going to put a heading here, gender. And the gender is two levels, female and male. I'm putting here. And then in this one, I'm going to write frequency. So in this cell, I'm going to put the number for girls, and this we are going to put a number for boys. So use the Excel function to find the number for females or girls in this class. I need to use this data here, this column, and then to write the function here to let the program find the number of girls. So in Excel, to use the function, you enter the equal sign, and the function we're going to use to find the frequency here is to count if. Yeah, so if you type the count, you get the function tips here. So once you find it, or you can, yeah, that's what we use. So we put that in count if, and in the parentheses you tell Excel what's the data you're going to analyze. So for the count if function, first you put this is gender and the data we want to analyze, and then use comma. And what I'm looking for here is the number for girls. If that's a numeric data, for example, if we coded females using the number 0, then we just simply put 0 here. But since they are not numerical data, there's letters. So we need to put a quotation mark. So I'm looking for here is number for girls. So put F there, and quotation mark, and then close the parentheses and enter. And so the program finds how many females in this data. Similarly, to find the number of boys, put in the equal sign, and then do count if parentheses, left parentheses, and then that's the same data we're going to analyze and use a comma. And then again, yeah, here I'm looking for is how many boys, and that's the since we use the letters, the M, we need to put a quotation mark. If that's numeric data, we do not need the quotation marks here. So now I'm going to put M, that's what we're looking for, quotation mark, and then close the parentheses, enter. So the program finds 10 boys in the class. Let's do another one. Let's do free reduced lunch status. We want to find out how many students are receiving free reduced lunch, how many are not. Again, let's put a heading, free reduced lunch, and then we only have, we have two groups, the yes group and the no group. And then the frequency will appear here. So again, here I'm looking for in these data, the 20 students here, how many are receiving free reduced lunch? That's my yes group. Put the equal sign, and again using count if this function. I can double click, and in the parentheses, now the data that's free reduced lunch data I'm going to analyze, which is here. Put the comma, and then we want to find the yes group, because these are letters, use quotation marks, and how many Y's we have here. And then enter. So it's the 7 students who are receiving free reduced lunch. And then to find out who number of students who are not receiving free reduced lunch, use equal sign, count if function again. In the parentheses, that's free reduced lunch data, and then comma, And in the quotation mark, I'm looking for N, the letter N. It's no group. Okay, yeah, so that's N and return. So 13 students who are not receiving free reduced lunch. So these are two are our frequency tables. And I can put some lines here to make the table more presentable. Bottom border. I'm going to add the bottom border here. And then do the similar thing with the free reduced lunch table. So then let's put in the tables. Okay, so now you could make this center. So these are the frequency tables for nominal data, gender, and free reduced lunch status. The next, I'm going to create a frequency chart for the nominal data. Let's use free reduced lunch status as example. So in Excel, when you create a chart, you need to select the table information here, and then in the ribbon here, click on charts, and you go to I'm going to do a bar chart. It's column charts. So then choose this one. So we have a bar chart. You can change the colors. See, it will be red. And then so you can also format the chart a little bit. You go to chart layout. I'm going to add titles for the x-axis and the y-axis. So go to the axis titles, and for the horizontal axis, I'm going to add a title below, and just to let people know this is free reduced lunch status. And then you can also enter a title for the vertical axis. It'll be rotated, and that you enter the frequency. I'm going to delete this. I don't need this one, and I'm going to delete this as well, and then delete the lines. So now you can, you have a frequency chart for free reduced lunch status. That's the end of this tutorial. Thanks for watching.